Eileen,
Morning, ma'am.
can you tell me about yourself?
I am Feline Zamora Bustelio. I am 30 years old. I live in Cebu, Philippines. I am a single mother. I have one son and he's 5 years old.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work as a maid because I like doing household chores and taking care of kids.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because I want to know the environment and the people of Malaysia, and I know that I am safe in your country.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am physically and mentally qualified, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I studied as a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, but undergraduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
My first experience, I am a sales lady in a pharmacy. My second experience is I am a machine operator. And the third one is I am a caddy. I assist the player who plays golf.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience because I am a single mother.
Okay. How about elderly people?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn taking care
Okay.
of elderly people.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
I don't have, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relative stay together?
Ma'am.
I repeat, are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Currently, are you still working now? Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Like what?
Like fried chicken, and instead of egg.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am, I'm aware.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
I like the most cleaning the house and taking care of a kid.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kid?
My parents, ma'am, taking care of my son.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
The two rules, ma'am, are no cell phone and no day off, ma'am.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
I describe myself as a hardworking person, dedicated to my work, responsible, and patient.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I can assure to you that, ma'am, because I will give my very best to do my work well.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Pardon, ma'am?
Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the
Yes,
consent
ma'am.
of your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Fraylene, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have two case studies for you, and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
If ever that happen, ma'am, I will ask permission first to my employer to if they allow me to go home, and after I will come back to finish my contract. But if they don't allow me, I don't have choice but to stay and finish my contract.
Okay, number two. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Frelin, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
To my employer, I will assure to you that I will give my very best to do my work well and responsibilities as a maid, and I will obey what you want and respect you as my employer. That's
Okay,
all.
thank you very much, Frelin. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.